Chris with Coldbreak here with our 2-tap stainless jockey box. Everything in here is made out of stainless steel, including the shanks, the coils, and the rear shanks. We have aluminum shank plates on the front and on the inside. That way when you tighten those down, it keeps your faucet nice and tight. It'll allow you to also hold some custom tap handles, which these are standard beer tap handle threads. So any tap handle that you have will fit this. On the back, we have the inputs. We have these red caps on there just to protect the threads. We also have some beer washers hidden on the inside just in case you need them. Those get lost kind of easily. We have a nice stainless steel drain plug. That's a little bit of an upgrade. If you lose that, we do have extras. On the inside, this particular model, we have 50-foot coils, but you can purchase it with 100-foot coils if you need that extra length. 50-foot's our standard length, holds 17 ounces of liquid. 100-footers hold 34 ounces of liquid. Inside, we have direct coil to shank assembly. There's no vinyl tubing in here. It's all stainless steel. The 2-tap weighs 35 pounds empty, so when you add ice, it holds 35 to 40 pounds. So 70 to 75 pounds when it's completely full. So if you need to move it once it's full of ice, make sure you have help. If you need any accessories for it, like beverage jumpers, couplers, air tubing, regulators, we do have those as complete kits. They're called dispensing kits. You will need a CO2 tank as well. If you buy it from us, it will come empty. By law, we can't ship it full. So if you find one locally, make sure you get it filled. It'll also come with instructions. There's a getting to know your jockey box pamphlet in here, as well as some tips on cleaning, as well as a faucet wrench to help tighten down your faucets. And finally, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Support@coldbreakusa.com.